Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a valid RSS URL, and a reader app. Enter the feed URL into your reader's add or subscribe box and hit enter. If the site lacks an explicit link, try /feed or /RSS after the domain. Once added, create a folder or tag for this feed so future organization is automatic. Make sure syncing is enabled in settings to pull new items immediately. This avoids duplicates and ensures your reader reflects the live source. Now refine how you receive items. Adjust refresh intervals in the reader, shorter for news, longer for infrequent blogs. Use tags and folders to group similar feeds and mark high-priority sources to surface first. Configure view options, full text if you want to read inside the reader, or headlines only to click through selectively. Once done, set up rules or filters to auto-archive or highlight posts based on keywords, so you see the most relevant content without. Complete the setup by scanning your new folder and reading a few items to confirm updates flow. If a feed stops updating, check the source URL for changes, then resubscribe with the corrected address. Make sure your reader has permission to access the internet and that any login-protected feeds use proper credentials. One key troubleshooting tip: if items aren't appearing, clear the reader cache and force a manual refresh. This resolves most sync hiccups and prevents stale entries from persisting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.